Hello and welcome to the best GCSE series in 2025, where I'm talking you through how to get every single grade in every single minute. Last week, I taught you all how to get a grade 1 in 1 minute. If you haven't seen that, make sure to check that out. Today, I'm going to be teaching you all how to fail your GCSEs, so get a grade 2 in 2 minutes. Now, grade 2 is a little bit more of a balancing act because you don't want to be so bad that you get a grade 1, but you don't want to be reaching into the 3s, potentially 4s. So, a grade 2 in most subjects is roughly a little under 30%. So we want you to get around a third of the marks on the exam, which is still a very low number. Now, let's get straight into this with point number 1. And point number 1 is your sleep must be really bad, okay? You need to be tired because that will help you not focus, which is my next point. Still don't focus in class, just like 1. You don't really want to focus. You don't have to get sent out all the time, but just don't focus, okay? Be distracted all of the time. My next point is don't really write that much. In all of your questions, in all of your exams, just don't really write that much. There's no point putting that much effort in. Don't want to get your hands sore. So actually just don't write that much. In your big stories in English language, for example, only write a page or something. That's fine. That'll help limit your marks to under a third. Now, next point is leave time at the end of your exams. Just enjoy the time at the end of each of your GCSE exams to just sit and chill. Don't write paragraphs. That's my next point as well. Paragraphs, they're pointless, okay? You don't really need them in any of your answers. That will help you limit your marks. Next point is don't use the sponsor of today's video, which is Makindo. They have thousands of GCSE flashcards that you definitely don't want to be using if you want to fail your exams. Next point as well then is organisation. Just don't bother about any organisation. You don't really want to be organised. I mean, what even is that? Just if you do any revision and don't do much revision at all, just do it randomly, like read a book or something, read a revision guide. That's not going to help you. You're not going to remember that. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe. I'll see you for 3 minutes for how to get a grade 3 in the next video. Leave any comments. I'll try and respond to all of them. And thank you very much for watching.